What's up, guys? I'm here at Home Depot. I'm gonna step back. This is their newest toolbox. It's red. It looks great, guys. I wish they'd build more boxes like this instead of all their standard black ones, but it does have the rollback drawers, not the pullback drawers, the rollback drawers. You see the price, $348. You can't beat that. It's got a power pack over there. Got these deep drawers up here. You know, if anybody at Home Depot or Husky watch this video, why don't you make a 72-inch box? Make a 72-inch box red and put a thick drawer like this at the top. I mean, it's a nice box, guys. It's even got nice little chrome wheels on it. It looks pretty good. About 16-20 inches deep. Right there's a number if anybody's interested. But it's a good looking box. Chrome handle. So, like I said, there's the price. There's a number. So, I had to shoot this video, guys. I was up here and I saw that. I was like, man, that's a good looking box. So, and it is a Husky box. So, not bad, guys, not bad. I love the color. I love that red. So, and then of course over there you got the Milwaukees. So, alright, guys, until the next time, bye bye.